Welcome back to YouTube. Hey, I know I'm a little late, but today I'm gonna go ahead and bring me a turkey, smoke it on another day. So make sure you go check out the next video, the smoking. So I'm gonna use my all-purpose seasoning dry rub that I made up, and I'm gonna put me a scoop of it in here. Scoop in there. That's gonna be my seasoning. Let that go ahead and start the boil. I'm gonna add some onions and green peppers, sweet bell peppers, yellow, green, orange. We're just gonna let our season boil down. Let it boil once the season dissolve up. Whisk it up, stir it up. Let it go ahead and boil. Let it boil for about 15 minutes. So put the top on it so all your seasons take and dissolve up. I just got a little all-purpose season, brown sugar, chili powder, cayenne, pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder. Just let it boil down. We'll come back and check on it. Okay, so our seasons have boiled down. Let's go ahead and check it out. Yeah, they have boiled on down. No seeds in the bottom of it. See your onions and peppers. Okay. So we're gonna take and cut it off. Get my ice. Let me get a bowl for my ice. Make sure you fill it up with water first. With just plain water so you can see how much water you need to put in there for your turkey. The ice will have to cool down. As you can see, it melted my ice pretty fast. And I'm gonna slide it off this hot iron, let it cool on down. Got my brine ready to cool down. I'm gonna go ahead and put my turkey over in here. My brine ready. Put the turkey down inside the brine. See, I measured my water up just right. That's why I was telling you, make sure you leave it in your plastic and fill it up with the water. That way you can see how much water you'll need. And of course you're gonna lose a little. And you want your turkey submerged down in the brine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge over 24 hours. Be sure to check out the next video coming up. I'm gonna let you know how it cooks on the smoker. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let your friends and family know. Peace out.